Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Knowledge Library, where in today's video we bring you important MCQs from the Class 10 Economics syllabus. These questions will help you revise key concepts and prepare effectively for your exam. So stay tuned, test your knowledge and don't forget to share your score in the comments. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share the video with your friends. So let's start. The first question is, for development, people look at a mix of dash. Option A, goals. Option B, responsibilities. Option C, accountability. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, goals. The next question is, to compare the development of countries, the dash is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Option A, income. Option B, population. Option C, demographics. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, income. The next question is, since countries have different dash, comparing total income will not tell us what an average person is likely to earn. Option A, economic policies. Option B, reserves. Option C, resources. Or option D, populations. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, populations. The next question is, in World Development Reports brought out by the dash, per capita income criterion is used in classifying countries. Option A, UNICEF. Option B, World Bank. Option C, World Economic Forum. Or option D, United Nations. The correct answer is option B, World Bank. The next question is, countries with per capita income of $12616 per annum and above is 2012 are called dash. Option A, underdeveloped countries. Option B, developing countries. Option C, poor countries. Or option D, rich countries. The next question. The correct answer is option D, rich countries. The next question is, India comes in the category of dash countries because its per capita income in 2012 was just $1,530 per annum. Option A, low middle income. Option B, middle income. Option C, high middle income. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, low middle income. The next question is, among the following states, dash has the highest per capita income as per 2012-13 figures. Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Kerala. Or option D, Jharkhand. The correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. The next question is, literacy rate measures the proportion of the literate population in the dash age group. Option A, 10 and above. Option B, 21 and above. Option C, 7 and above. Or option D, 18 and above. The correct answer is option C, 7 and above. The next question is, as per the 2011 census, which among the following state has the highest literacy rate? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Bihar. Or option D, Odisha. तो सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, केरला. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, as per the 2011 census, which among the following state has the highest infant mortality rate per 1000 live births? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Maharashtra. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, Bihar. The next question is, from the given table in the chapter, which state has the highest net attendance ratio? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Kerala. Or option D, Bihar. The correct answer is option C, Kerala. The next question is, if the body mass index is dash, then the adult person would be considered undernourished. Option A, less than 18.5. Option B, less than 10.5. Option C, less than 25.5. Or option D, less than 28.5. The correct answer is option A, less than 18.5. The next question is, if the body mass index is dash, then the adult person would be considered overweight. Option A, more than 18. Option B, more than 30. Option C, more than 45, or option D, more than 25. The correct answer is option D, more than 25. The next question is, Human Development Report published by UNDP compares countries based on dash. Option A, health status. Option B, per capita income. Option C, educational levels of the people. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, as per the 2013 report, Dash had the HDI rank of 135 in the world. Option A, Sri Lanka. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, India. Or option D, Bangladesh. The correct answer is option C, India. The next question is, among the following South Asian countries, Dash had the highest life expectancy at birth. Option A, Myanmar. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Nepal. Or option D, India. The correct answer is option B, Sri Lanka. The next question is, agriculture, dairy, fishing and forestry are examples of dash. Option A, tertiary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, primary sector. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, primary sector. The next question is, the dash covers activities in which natural products are changed through manufacturing that we associate with industrial activity. Option A, secondary sector. Option B, tertiary sector. Option C, primary sector. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, secondary sector. The next question is, which of the following comes under the tertiary sector? Option A, transport. Option B, communication. Option C, both A and B. Or option D, none of the above. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, बोथ ए एंड बी. The next question is, that shows how big the economy of a country is. Option A, GSDP. Option B, GDP. Option C, PPP. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, GDP. The next question is, in India, dash was the least producing sector in 2010-11. Option A, primary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, tertiary sector. Or option D, quaternary sector. The correct answer is option A, primary sector. The next question is, in India, which sector grew the maximum from 1971 to 2010-11? Option A, primary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, tertiary sector. Or option D, quaternary sector. The correct answer is option C, tertiary sector. The next question is, in 1970-71, which sector produced the maximum in India? Option A, tertiary sector. Option B, secondary sector. Option C, primary sector. Or option D, quaternary sector. The correct answer is option C, primary sector. The next question is, the dash continues to be the largest employer in India. Option A, quaternary sector. Option B, tertiary sector. Option C, secondary sector. Or option D, primary sector. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, प्राइमरी सेक्टर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वर्कर्स इन डैश सेक्टर आर अंडर एम्प्लॉयड. ऑप्शन ए, IT. ऑप्शन बी, एग्रीकल्चरल. ऑप्शन सी, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. और ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, एग्रीकल्चरल. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, more than half of the workers in the country are working in the primary sector, mainly in dash. Option A, fishing. Option B, mining. Option C, agriculture. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, agriculture. The next question is, The National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was passed by the Government of India in dash. Option A 2005, Option B 2010, Option C 2004, or Option D 2014. The correct answer is Option A 2005. The next question is, under NREGA 2005, all those are able to and are in need of work are guaranteed dash of employment in a year by the government. Option A 180 days, Option B 50 days, Option C 200 days, or Option D 100 days. The correct answer is Option D 100 days. The next question is, the unorganized sector is categorized by small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of the dash. Option A employers, Option B private individuals, Option C government, or Option D employees. The correct answer is Option C government. The next question is, in India, the dash issues currency notes on behalf of the central government. Option A Reserve Bank of India RBI, Option B Ministry of Finance, Option C Finance Commission, or Option D none of the above. The correct answer is Option A Reserve Bank of India RBI. The next question is, banks in India these days hold about dash of the deposits as cash. Option A 25%, Option B 20%, Option C 15%, or Option D 5%. The correct answer is Option C 15%. The next question is, banks use a major portion of the deposits to dash. Option A extend loans, Option B invest in infrastructure, Option C deposit in foreign banks, or Option D none of the above. The correct answer is Option A extend loans. The next question is, in rural areas the main demand for credit is for dash. Option A purchasing land, Option B purchasing a house, Option C medical expenses, or Option D crop production. The correct answer is Option D crop production. The next question is, which of the following is an example of collateral? Option A livestock, Option B land, Option C deposit with bank, or Option D all of the above. The correct answer is Option D all of the above. The next question is, what are the different components of the terms of credit? Option A interest rate, Option B documentation requirements, Option C collateral, or Option D all of the above. The correct answer is Option D all of the above. The next question is, which of the following are examples of informal sector loans? Option A money lenders, Option B traders, Option C cooperatives, or Option D option only A and B. The correct answer is Option D only A and B. The next question is, as of 2012, the major source of credit to rural households in India was dash. Option A money lenders, Option B commercial banks, Option C cooperative societies, or Option D relatives and friends. The correct answer is Option A money lenders. The next question is, dash of loans taken by poor households in urban areas are from informal sources. Option A 85%, Option B 70%, Option C 65%, or Option D 50%. The correct answer is Option A 85%. The next question is, dash of the loans taken by rich households in urban areas are from formal sources. Option A 20%, Option B 10%, Option C 15%, or Option D 90%. The correct answer is Option D 90%. The next question is, dash of the loans taken by well-off households in the urban areas from formal sources. Option A 54%, Option B 64%, Option C 72%, or option D 90%? The correct answer is option C 72%. The next question is, dash of the loans taken by household with few assets in the urban areas from informal sources. Option A 72%, option B 28%, option C 53%, or option D 47%. Correct answer is option C 53%. The next question is, dash provide the advantage of being a cheap manufacturing location. Option A China, option B Japan, option C South Korea, or option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A China. The next question is, Cargill Foods, a very large dash MNC, is the largest producer of edible oil in India with a capacity to make 5 million pouches daily. Option A Dutch, option B French, option C British, or option D American. The correct answer is option D American. The next question is, dash footwear and sport items are examples of industries where production is carried out by a large number of small producers around the world. Option A confectionery, option B garments, option C petroleum products, or option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B garments. The next question is, dash, an American company, is one of the world's largest automobile manufacturers with production spread over 26 countries of the world. Option A Ford Motors, option B Porsche, option C Audi, or option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A Ford Motors. The next question is, Ford Motors came to India and spent Rs 1,700 crore to set up a large plant near Chennai. Option A 1995, option B 1999, option C 1990, or option D 1998. The correct answer is option A 1995. The next question is, when Ford established its manufacturing plant in India, it collaborated with dash. Option A Hero Motors, option B Maruti Suzuki, option C Tata Motors, or option D Mahindra and Mahindra. The correct answer is option D Mahindra and Mahindra. The next question is, Ford Motors was selling 27,000 cars in the Indian markets while 24,000 cars were exported from India to South Africa, Mexico and dash. Option A Brazil, option B Argentina, option C Chile, or option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A Brazil. The next question is, Chinese toys have become more popular in the Indian markets. Within a year, dash of the toy shops have replaced Indian toys with Chinese toys. Option A 50 to 60%, option B 80 to 90%, option C 100%, or option D 70 to 80%. The correct answer is option D 70 to 80%. The next question is, dash have led to huge reduction in port handling cost and increase the speed with exports can reach markets. Option A containers, option B cranes, option C elevators, or option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A containers. The next question is, the cost of dash has fallen. This has enabled much greater volumes of goods being transported by dash. Option A air transport airlines, option B road transport four-wheelers, option C rail transport and railways, or option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A air transport airlines. The next question is, removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is known as dash. Option A globalization, option B disinvestment, option C privatization, or option D liberalization. The correct answer is option D liberalization. The next question is, nearly dash countries of the world are members of the WTO as of June 2014. Option A 50, option B 100, option C 160, or option D 200. The correct answer is option C 160. The next question is, Started at the initiative of the Dash, WTO establishes rules regarding international trade and sees that these rules are obeyed. Option A, middle income countries. Option B, poor countries. Option C, developing countries. Or option D, developed countries. The correct answer is option D, developed countries. The next question is, the consumer movement started rising in India as a social force due to Dash. Option A, rampant food shortages. Option B, unethical and unfair trade practices. Option B, adulteration of food and edible oil. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, the consumer movement started rising in India in an organized form in the Dash. Option A, 1960s. Option B, 1950s. Option C, 1980s. Or option D, 1990s. The correct answer is option A, 1960s. The next question is, till the Dash, consumer organizations were largely engaged in writing articles and holding exhibitions. Option 1990s. Option B, 1950s. Option C, 1960s. Or option D, 1970s. The correct answer is option D, 1970s. The next question is, today Consumers International has become an umbrella body to over 220 member organizations from over Dash countries. Option 85, option B 105, option C 115, or option D 50. The correct answer is option C 115. The next question is, a major step taken by the Indian government was the enactment of the Dash Consumer Protection Act Dash, popularly known as COPRA. Option 1991, option B 1999, option C 1984, or option D 1986. The correct answer is option D 1986. The next question is, in Dash, the Government of India enacted a law popularly known as RTI, Right to Information Act. Option A, June 2010. Option B, August 2004. Option C, September 2006. Or option D, October 2005. The correct answer is option D, October 2005. The next question is, consumers have the Dash against unfair trade practices and exploitation. Option A, right to reject. Option B, right to information. Option C, right to choose. Or option D, right to seek redressal. The correct answer is option D, right to seek redressal. The next question is, under COPRA, a Dash quasi-judicial machinery was set up for the redressal of the consumer disputes. Option A, 3-tier. Option B, 1-tier. Option C, 2-tier. Or option D, 4-tier. The correct answer is option A, 3-tier. The next question is, the district level court deals with consumer dispute cases involving claims up to Dash. Option A, rupees 20 lakhs. Option B, rupees 50 lakhs. Option C, rupees 70 lakhs. Or option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, option A, rupees 20 lakhs. The next question is, India has been observing Dash as National Consumers Day. Option A, December 24th. Option B, November 24th. Option C, May 24th. Or option D, April 24th. The correct answer is option A, December 24th. The next question is, for consumer dispute, the state level court deals with the cases involving claims between rupees 20 lakh and Dash. Option A, 75 lakhs. Option B, 50 lakhs. Option C, 2 crore. Or option D, 1 crore. The correct answer is option D, 1 crore. If you like our video, don't forget to share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library. Thank you for watching.